Hi guys, it is your girl Funmyte. Welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, then as well as the notification bell button, so that you will never miss any of my upload every week. In this video, I would like to share with you guys how I started my son's lock using the 2-strand twist method. So if you want to know how I began this journey, please continue to watch this 2-strand twist starter locks tutorial. Before starting your locks journey, you want to make sure that your hair and scalp is clean, because you don't want to start a new journey with pre-existing products built up in your hair and on your scalp. So after washing your hair, make sure you moisturize your hair and scalp with these products. I towel dry my son's hair and dread his hair while still damp and leave it to hair dry. But it's totally up to you. You can blow dry your hair, whichever way you want it. You can dry your hair anyway. But I just love to I love it when it's damp, so it just air dry on its own. So yeah, so these are all the products I used. I've got the shampoo, I've got the the spray oil, I've got the moisturizer, all of these. But if you can't get all of these spray, the most important ones is the shampoo and the Jamaican black castor oil straightening moisturizer. You need to get those two. They are very important. So, but the spray oil, this Jamaican spray mango and lime spray oil, is very good if you can get this as well, because it gives you this minty feeling in your hair, and you feel that your scalp is alive. So, and I'm also gonna be using this interlocking needle to interlock my son's hair. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. So yeah, just showing you through all the products to get. So this is the pattern I used in starting his locks. So it depends on you which pattern you want to start with. This pattern is called the grape pattern, so it totally depends on you which pattern you want. The 2-strand twist starter locks is the best method to use for anyone who isn't quite sure how to start their locks. I think it is good because it is very easy and simple by just putting one strand over the other, and I honestly think this is the best method to start with children. So after twisting his hair, what I did is then use my interlocking hook to interlock the roots. This will certainly keep the hair laying flat and looking neater much longer. And you know what? I would love to give my son some credit here, because he sat through this and enjoyed his Paw Patrol cartoon on his tablet. I think that was the biggest key in keeping him quiet and still for this video. So thank you, Malachi. Mommy loves you so much. And this is what his Tata Locs looks like, and he has 71 2-strand twist Tata Locs in his head right now. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the hair keeps growing, and I think I'm gonna be washing it every month and retwisting it as well. So I'm gonna keep you updated on how to retwist. And for my little pumpkin here, I couldn't lock his own hair because as soon as he saw the comb, he was screaming for the whole world to come for his rescue already. So I just can't roll his hair all back. So this is what I'm gonna keep doing for him until maybe he's a year, you know, like a year more and 2, you know, when he's much older, then I can lock his own hair too. But for now, we're just gonna keep on, you know, can rolling his hair, and he's got a very lovely hair. You know, the dread will suit him so much. I can't wait. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. So if you love my video, please thumbs up, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.